Welcome guys, so today I'm with LG Tone Free FN6 earbuds and I'm going to show you how you can charge them. So at the first you have to remember to remove this foil from this part of the earphones. Let me just catch focus. Okay, right here and right here. Next, put them to the case, close, rotate, find USB-C input, plug the cable, and right now this end plug to the electricity. And when you make it, this little tiny indicator on the front will just blinks like that. It means that the charging is on the way, and basically that's how we can make it. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.